Hello class 9 RD Sharma students, welcome once again to Math is Possible. I'm going to continue your video for the chapter Exponents. I was doing exercise 2.1. I have done till question number 5 part 1 and 5 part 2 I have given for homework. Let's start with question number 6. Okay, now I want you students to mark question number 6 as an important question because it's in my book. Mark, very important. Okay, so definitely this is an important question and we will come to know why it is. Okay, it's given as if ABC is equal to 1. If ABC is equal to 1, then you have to show that 1 by 1 plus, yes, I remember this question. Okay, it is important. Now, I did this in one way. There are 3 ways to do this question. 3 ways, and all of them are more or less similar. Okay. 3 ways to do this question. Now, I have explained to my students in one way. That's because I had to complete the syllabus. But in the video, I will explain all the 3 ways so that all of you all can understand. In case some of you get stuck in one of the way, then you can start with the second method. Okay, let's start with the first method. So write method 1, first method. Okay, simple question. Okay, simple, very simple question, very important question, but okay, very important question, but make sure you know that this is not difficult. It's a simple question. Okay, so look, LHS, start with your LHS, your left hand side. Okay, so this is 1 by 1 plus A plus 1 by B. Okay, then 1 plus 1 by 1 plus A plus 1 by C plus 1 divided by 1 plus C plus 1 by A. Now you all know which property I have applied. Which property? When there is a negative in the power, then it goes down to the denominator. So you get 1 by B to the power 1, that is. So nobody writes a 1 over here. So that's why no 1s over here. If it was a B to the power minus 2, then I would have written 1 by B square. Now, after this, don't do the foolishness of doing the LCM and solving this question, because that's the first thing every student will think is to do the LCM. If you notice, when you do the LCM over here, you get B, you get AB, and you get 1. Here you're getting C, AC, and 1. Here you're getting, there is a mistake over here. Yeah, this is a B. Okay, I copied wrong. B, 1 plus B plus 1 by C. Okay, so you're getting BC here, you're getting AB here, and you're getting AC here. Nothing is matching. So don't do that way. Okay, this is the way you're supposed to do. So it's given as ABC is equal to 1. You have to use that condition. That's the reason why it's given. Right, AB is equal to 1 by C. Now look at this. This 1 by C becomes AB. So write it. Do the LCM over here. I will explain why LCM over here and why I will replace that. Look very carefully. I am trying to make the denominators same. Alright. So this is B plus AB plus 1 whole thing divided by B. Look, this is the LCM. B is the denominator. So B got multiplied over here. This is AB and plus 1. You all know how to do LCM. This is all simple things. Now this, you will not do LCM, but you will write AB. Okay, you will write AB. Now look at this. over here what are you going to replace? Look at this. The only thing that you can replace over here is the C, because we have made an equation for AB and C. So take the C there and put the AB down. So the C comes here and then you get 1 by AB. Okay, so C is 1 by AB plus 1 by A. Don't replace the A. Do not replace the A. Okay, we are concentrating only on AB and the C. 2 here and 1 here. Okay. Now look at this. Everything is coming in terms of AB. See very nicely it's coming in terms of AB. So what do you get over here? Over here you get B. Down here you're getting as B plus AB plus 1. That's why I said this question is important. I will start with the second method also. It's the same actually. 1 plus B plus AB from here. AB is the LCM. Right? All of you all know. And if you don't know, then look at this. You have what? You have AB comma A. Right? So everything, LCM means comma for everything. Then A 1 comma B comma 1 and B 1 comma 1 comma 1. So A into B, AB is the LCM. Okay? So here we have, down here we have AB. Then over here I have AB. Over here I have 1 plus, okay, plus here also. 1 plus A, and A is covered up. I got a B here. Okay? Those of you who don't want to write this step, and once you know what you're getting, you can just cancel this part out and write A, B here on top. Alright? Look at this. Look at this very, very carefully. I was supposed to do the LCM here. I have written the AB on top. Because why? Simply because I know the next step and I don't want to do one more step just for that AB. You also do this way. Make it as short as possible. Now you can see the denominators are same. Right? See? B plus AB plus 1. B plus AB plus 1. B plus AB plus 1. Right? No matter their position, doesn't matter. They are all added. That means the denominator is same. So when the denominator is same, the numerator is added. So you get B plus 1 plus AB, and down also you can write the same way, B plus 1 plus AB. Write it any way you like. They are all added. Cancel them out. These two are cancelled out. Answer is 1. Okay. So I have proved it that it is equal to 1. So this is proved. Okay. This is proved. Now some of you might be thinking that this is a little confusing. Let's go on to the second method. It's the same thing, but now just to clear up your confusion. Okay. Let's go on to this. I needed these things. Okay. I needed the question also. Okay. So what I don't need, let's rub up this. I need the question. You do on a fresh page, please. I don't need this also. I just need the question. Method 2, part 2. Method 2. I need the left hand side, and this is the left hand side, 1 by 1 plus A plus 1 by B. Okay. So in the previous part, what did I do? In the previous part, in method 1, ABC was equal to 1, right? ABC was equal to 1. Then I took C down there. Now let's take B down there. So write AC is equal to 1 by B. Look at this very carefully. AC is equal to 1 by B. Right? Where will you get AC? You will get AC. Where will you get 1 by B? You will get 1 by B here. You have to replace 1 by B and AC. We are concentrating on 2 and this 1 whole thing. 1 by B. Or you can just circle out the B. Okay. So 1 by B, you will write AC here. Here you are already getting AC when you are doing the LCM. And over here, you have to replace what? You take the B there. You better circle the B, not the 1 by B. Just circle the B. Okay. Now you know what to do. So you take the B there and bring the AC down. So let's start. So over here, I am going to replace. So 1 divided by A plus, not A. Yeah, you can write A first, doesn't matter. A plus 1 by B is what? AC. Okay. Now, just to make work easier, that part write it here. So the A goes up, right? The A goes up. See, you will do the LCM. A goes up. Then you will write 1 plus A plus AC. Write the same thing. Okay. Don't write anything else because you will be getting the same thing. Okay. See, A, AC and 1. So no matter which way you write it, it's still the same. Now over here, replace b gone there, AC came down here. So plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by AC plus 1 by C. Look very carefully. So now you're getting the LCM as AC. So AC will go up. So the next step is what? 1 by 1 plus A plus AC plus 1 divided by 1 plus A plus AC plus this was A. Okay. Now AC divided by 1 plus A plus AC. Look. Same thing we did in the part 1 and the same thing we are going to do for part 2 also. So 1 plus A plus AC divided by 1 plus A plus AC is equal to 1. Cancel, cancel. Don't write 0. Some of you students still don't understand. This is 1. So method 2 is 1. So first we had done with AB, took the C there. Then we did with AC, took the B there. Then do with BC, simple. Take the A there. Then which one you will have to change? Look, if you take the A there, then you will have to change this one in method 3. Method 3 you have to change this one. Okay, look very carefully, okay, students. In method 3 what do you have to do? You have to change. If you take, now this part is finished, AC is done. Now you take the A, 1 by A there. So you get BC is equal to 1 by A. So when you get 1 by A, then you will put BC here. BC you are already getting here. And then you will take the A there and you will put 1 by BC here. So those of you who want to do the third step for this question, do the third step at home. Try. And if you still cannot do, let me know. Okay. But this is the way to solve this question. Don't go and solve the, don't go and do LCM for all of them. Otherwise you will never get the answer and you'll be stuck in the exam and you'll have to leave this question. Okay. So that was question number 6. Very, very important question. Okay. Let's go on to question number 7. Question number 7 has 4 parts. Let's start with part 1. Question number 7, part 1. Okay. It's given as 3 to the power n. It says simplify. Okay. Heading is simplify. Okay. 3 to the power n into 9 to the power n plus 1. Not given in bracket. You put it in bracket, please. Okay. This is 3 to the power n minus 1 into 9 to the power n minus 1. Okay. Look at this. Now from here, what do we have to do? Simple. The best way to understand these questions is to take out something common from there. Okay. Now from here you see this is 3 to the power n. You can get 3 to the power n here also. So if you do that, look at this. You will get equal to 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 is 9, n plus 1. Okay. Equal to divide by 3 to the power n into 3 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power 2 n minus 1. Look. Okay. Ink is finishing. So we'll not be able to do many. 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 2. Those of you confused, look. 3 to the power 2n plus 2, right? So plus, when the powers are added, what happens? Then it gets multiplied. See, 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 2 is 3 to the power 2n plus 2. Same basis, multiplied, powers are added. See, powers are added. See, when you do 3 to the power, 9 is 3 to the power 2. 9 square, from here we came here. 9 square is 3 to the power 2. Okay, 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. So that's 2n plus 1. Here 3 to the power 2 n minus 1. So now down here what do we do next step? Simple. Next step is 3 to the power n into 3 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power minus 2. Okay. See, Add them up. 2n minus 2. See, 2n minus 2. Okay, now the same terms just go ahead and cancel. This and this is gone. Okay, and this is gone. So now we are left with what? We are left with 3 3s are 9 on top. Okay, and over here just add them. When you add them, it becomes 3 to the power, right? 3 square only. We'll subtract 3 to the power 2 to 3 to the power minus 3. See, minus 1 plus minus 2 means minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So that is 3 to the power 2 plus 3. That is 3 to the power 5. And what is 3 to the power 5? Don't use calculator, students. You all are not allowed. You students will have to write the answer in 3 to the power 5 method only. Okay, because exponent chapter 243. Okay, you all know better than me. 243. 3 to the power 5 is 243. Question number, let's check this answer. Previous one was proving, so no answer for that. 7 part 1, and there is printing mistake. In the answer is given 6 part 1. 243. 7 part 1, 243. 6 part 1, no answer. Okay, 6, there was one question for proving. Okay, let's go on to the second part. 7 part 2. This is 7 part 2. We'll do only till 7 part 2, students. As you can see, the ink is finishing. The next class will get the ink and definitely will do more than this. Okay, in the next video. 25 into, had to teach so many students. 5 to the power 2n whole thing divided by, simplify, same heading. Okay, 5 into 20, no, that's just 5 to the power 2n plus 3. 5 to the power 2n plus 3, not given in bracket. Anyway, you see some questions like this. Okay, put a bracket on your own. Okay, because these two things are together. Okay, they're not single things, they are together. This power n is for 25 also, this power 1 also is for 25. Okay, now look, let's change everything to the power 5. 5 into 5 to the power 2 is 25, n plus 1 minus 25, let's leave the number as it is, 5 to the power 2n. This whole thing is divided by 5 into 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 2n plus 1. Look at this very carefully. What did I do? That is 25, 5 square, 5 to the power 2 and n plus 1 was already there. So multiply it over there. This wrote as it is. Over here change. Over here what did I do? Split it up, 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 3. Over here again I changed that to 5 to the power 2. Hope you all have understood. Very simple actually. From here 5 into 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 1. Okay, nobody writes the 1. You can leave the 1. Not 1, sorry, it is 2 because that got multiplied inside. Minus 25 into 5 to the power 2n whole thing divided by, this is 5 into 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Okay, 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Now look, 5 to the power 2n is common. 5, this is one whole thing. Those of you confused, this is one whole thing, this is one whole thing. This is one whole thing, this is one whole thing. There's a subtraction in between. No subtraction in this question. Okay, it's all multiplied, so just cancel it out. So take out 5 to the power 2n common. If you think 5 to the power 2n as x, so this is x and this is x. X and x what came out. So 5 to the power 2n came out. You are left with 5 to the power 3. Why? This is 5 and 5 to the power 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. This is power 1. When same base are multiplied, powers are added. Nothing to explain much. You already know. This is 25. Whole thing divided by. Okay. From here 5 to the power 2n is gone away. I am left with 5 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 2. Look at this very carefully. 5 to the power 2n came out. Here 5 to the power 3 and 25 remains over there. 5 to the power 2n came out. 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 1 means 5 to the power 3 plus 1, that is 5 to the power 4. And 5 to the power 2 is left there. Simple. From here, we are done with our question. Over there, that's 125 minus 25, and this I already know. 625 minus 25. I remember 5 to the power 4. So this is 100 divided by 600. Cancel, cancel. Answer is 1 by 6. Okay. So students, I have done question number 6 with 2 parts. I explained 2 parts, and third part I told you to do on your own. I have done question number 7 part 1, 7 part 2. Sorry for ending it very quickly, but we'll continue with 7 part 3, 4 and so on in the next videos. So keep taking as much help as possible from my and your channel. Math is possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye.